Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will work on this JoJo game right here. And you may ask, okay, why do you not work on the anime tower defense game? The reason for that is pretty easy, because I'm currently using my mobile phone's Wi-Fi, okay? So I have opened up, or I have hosted a hotspot, and I have connected my computer's Wi-Fi function to my mobile phone. Means I have no actual Wi-Fi at home. I'm only using my mobile phone's Wi-Fi or cellular data. I don't know how you call it in America or in England. Okay, I'm not from those countries, but so I have no actual internet at home, no actual Wi-Fi connection. Therefore, I need to work on something which requires less Wi-Fi, okay, to work with, and Blender is the perfect option to do so, guys. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I hope that you'll still like it. Okay, so we'll continue our work on this Star Platinum right here. So we are going to work on the lower body parts. So I'm gonna create the shoes of Star Platinum and some kind of knee protection. I think that I'm gonna do this protection now, because it is pretty easy to do. Okay, there we go. Wait. What has happened right here? Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the span I was talking about. Now, let's add the circle to it, and let's create this kind of protection for this knee. Alright, so this is it, to be honest. Let's shade everything smooth. Let's add this edge split to it. And yeah, so that's it with this knee protection, guys. We can now work on the shoe of Star Platinum. So let's work on that. I'm gonna add this plane right here. Wait, let me move this a little bit more to the left, because... Okay. so I think that I'm gonna cut away this half, so I can just add this mirror modifier to it, and yeah, then we can just easily, yeah, then we can just easily continue. Okay. All right, so this is of course not the end of the shoe, because we still need to make some stuff on this foot right here. Okay, but we can for now just apply this mirror to it. We can shade everything smooth, and we can add this edge split to it. And that's it for this show part, okay? We have one more left right here, and let's just work on this to get this whole thing finished. And then we can work on some minor stuff in the next Star Platinum episode. I don't know if the next video is going to be about that, or whether the next video is just going to be the tower defense one I wanted to upload. Okay. Or I wanted to create, let's say, because I haven't even created it yet. I just came back from school, and the Wi-Fi at home was there for maybe 2 to 3 hours, and then after that the Wi-Fi just suddenly went offline, you know, and I wasn't able to do anything, so I had no Wi-Fi on my phone or my PC whatsoever. So it was really an issue, or it still is an issue from or of the internet provider, which we are currently, yeah, paying money to. And yeah, so also had an essay to do for today. I've managed to do it with my cellular data on my phone, so you know, so my phone's Wi-Fi. But yeah, it was a mess, to be honest, to get this thing and the video done without real Wi-Fi, you know, so Wi-Fi on your computer, internet access on your computer, you know. But I'm the boss, so I'm able to manage it, of course, and yeah, everything went well, guys. so one more thing I would like to point out is that we are going to create a shoe, and I'm gonna make the front part of the shoe be right here. So this face is going to be affected of the front part, means this part of the face is going to be a little bit longer than this part right here. Therefore, let's just start with creating this part. Okay, so I'm just gonna create it, and you'll probably see what I was talking about. Let's even consider doing this. So no, just mirror everything so we can get this thing done fastly. So mirror. Of course, we have this issue once again. Come on. There we go. No, we don't, but now we do. At least I hope so. No, still do not. Come on. Okay, now we do. So. Okay. So we now have this front part I was just trying to describe to you. And this one is going to look like this, okay? So what I was trying to say is that this part right here is going to be longer than, yeah, this one, of course. Because it is a shoe at the end, you know? And you always have a long side when it comes to shoes. So the side in which your toes are positioned, you know? If you do not understand, then I doubt that you have ever worn a shoe. Okay, there we go. So shade the smooth as well, apply this edge split, and apply the mirror modifier, of course, and there we go. So this is our shoe. Let me just move it right here, and you'll see that they perfectly fit to each other. Alright guys, so with that being said, that's it for this video. If you have liked it, then leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, give me feedback in the comment section, guys. And wait, so the screencast key was enabled, but I didn't even pay attention whether my inputs were shown right here. I hope so, but if not, then I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, take care and see you in the next video.